Welcome back office executives. I'm back again with another Excel video, and in this Excel video the problem which we are going to overcome is something like whenever I am entering a new name in this range of cell, then automatically a numbering of ABCD instead of 1 2 3 4 as the serial number, ABCD would appear. How to do so? So let me insert a new column, and I'll be naming this column as serial number, which will be in ABCD. So I'll be using a formula equal to, if this particular cell is equal to blank, then nothing would appear, but if it is not the scenario, then car row B65. So as you can easily assume that if this is car, the row, not row B65, yeah. So after row there will be a braces open, since this is a function. So if it is, this is B65 according to the relative reference, if I drag it all the way across to the down, then B65, then B66, 67, 68, and since it is row, so B is a column, so it would remain constant. But since I have used the formula row, then B65, 65 is the row number. It would change according to referential, according to relative reference. So B is column, it won't change, but the row number would change if I drag all the way across to the down relative reference. So that's all for this formula, and for the explanation why I did so. I think there will be another braces close. Yeah. Now let's hit enter, and I'll be copying the formula. So let me press control, and let's just drag all the way across to this one. Okay, fine. Now if I enter any number, Obhijit Banerjee, see, it's automatically the number is coming up. If I enter my name also, so this is how you can use a dynamic row number, dynamic serial dynamic row number. Instead of using number 1 2 3 4, we'll be using instead of using the serial number 1 2 3 4, we'll be using character. That's all for this video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.